Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody emailed me a pretty good question. Their color palette is set on RGB, but when they write out text, it comes out CMYK. So how can you remedy that? First of all, if you just got the text, you could just right click with it selected and now it's RGB, but that doesn't fix this problem. So let's go to text, and we actually have nothing selected. Go to text and go to text. And right here, we got uniform fill, and you can see it's set on CMYK. So go and set it on RGB. It's going to ask you this question, artistic text. You can leave the paragraph text also checked and just say okay. Now, after I would do that, I would go to save as default, have all these checked. So now let's type out a text, and hopefully this will work. And you can see now that it is black. Well, you know what? It's RGB, but it's not a true black. So let's go into this further. Let's go, maybe I didn't, you actually have to keep checking on this and say okay, and then go right here to black, say okay, artistic text, say okay, then go up and save as default. Now let's try it one more time. And now you can see it is RGB black. Pretty simple. A lot of people are set up like that, even though they've got their default and all their palettes set on everything. You've got to tell it what to do. Just the same thing with when you're drawing a box. You know, I've got mine set on red hairline, and I do it the same way with nothing selected. Double click on here and go graphic, and you tell it, I want it to be a hairline and I want it to be RGB red. It's the same thing. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.